So I'm really disappointed kule nto yenziwa uMngizwe Mchunu. It just shows the whole world ukuthi nje abantu abamnyama bayilima kangakanani. Abantu abamnyama bayadayisana, bathembani, bayinkawu. Le nto ayenzile nje umkawu. Yabo. And uNgizwe beyitholile support and besebenza nabantu abagenuine Phakela Mthakathi noJacinta. Only mesefumbatheka imali manje usebona ukuthi akavele akhulume noma kanjani ngento ebaluleke kangaka eSouth Africa. Yabo into ezoyisho kule video leyibonayo la eceleni. Hayi mfethu ukhombise nje ukuthi nje like uyididi njengoba enze sithuka nje esho yonke into nje kuthina kanti uyena ididi elikhulu. Yabo. Just wait and listen to this video and tell me ukuthi ucabangani ngoNgizwe, because what he just did lapha kule podcast yakhe kuthiwa iBhinqa Nation. You can go and watch it, yabo. It's embarrassing. It's like usikhumula iculture, usikhumula ubuthina, usikhumula ubuZulu ade siqhatsha ngabo. Now he's showing the whole world ukuthi lento yokuba umZulu nje ukuba nonsense. I don't care whether you like him or maybe you fan or maybe you are a big supporter, but yonke lento ayenzela phana is bullshit. Akekho umuntu omdala ongenza nje kanjeyana. Slima lesi.
Hayibo. Soon and very soon.
We will reach the
Hey yo, what's up everybody? Guys, don't forget to get those tickets. We got a comedy coming up ngomhlaka 6 August. Zobila phana eBinbek Jazz Lounge next to Zive Restaurant Buffet 2. The lineup is dope. It's the Binbek comedy show, guys. Every first Thursday of the month, we're going there. So see you there. Amatikiti out to I think 180, yes, but out 250 at the door. So guys, you can come along. There's a lot of things that we need to talk about. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Deb and Igcwele Lapana. A Binbek, yes, Binbek comedy show is back at the Binbek Jazz Lounge. See you on the 6th. Buffet 2 Amatikiti at Web Tickets, Naga Pick and Pay, or you can get them at the door. Thank you so much. See you there. Yeah.
Westland.
Soon and very soon. No bikhona into ezayo.
Ikhona into ezayo.
Yo.
Kodwa ke into ebalekile reality. Ngithi laba bantu mina I've traveled more than 68 countries worldwide.
So what's the use of traveling 68 countries worldwide? Uchaza ukuthini nje leyo nto. Lale apart mekuthiwa ikhona into ezayo mesothi wena ya ikhona into ezayo. So maybe now you want us to think ukuthi uzovula yakhe March and March, or maybe uzovula i-political parties, because kuyacaca even nange tone ne-gesture ukuthi already usuyithathile imali and it's imali enkulu awukwazi ngisho ukungayenzi into abathe ukuyenza. Yabona nje ukuthi lento ezayo nje ukuthi uyinyoni kanjani. Umdala kangaka usumashe wamasha. Shoot when your only thing ubuyimashela nje ukuthi umuthole le mali and then you get out. Yabo. I'm very, very disappointed. I don't know what about you, Matopas? And please don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Please asikanga lo comment section and discuss indaba yalo muntu lo dayisizwe manje. Ungizwe Mchunu.
Mangabuzi wawayapho phakela akazi ngisho Mozambique. Imbongolo nje. Imbongolo futhi amakhala nje.
Hayibo.
Mangabuza ukuthi uJacinta ukhishwa nje uyakhishwa. Umuntu okhishwayo kuthiwa I'm taking you out to.
Yeah, but you can see even his energy is very low, like, because he knows that I got this, I have the money, I don't give a fuck about everybody. So I'm just gonna talk bad about Phakela Mthakathi. Yazi laba jita ngeke ngaba nabo bo 2 endlini eyodwa. And i-brotherhood that benayo ikhona nami lapho. I was like, wow, lama jita yazi labo baba laba futhi bathandana kwangempela, like bayazwana, baya-embraceana, and they feel the culture bo 2. Kanti le inyoka le yokugcina le, yayibo, inyoka nje yokugcina ngci idayisa ngeKZN manje idayisa ngeSouth Africa. yabo. So manje sekubona ukuthi ngcono ayobicashe lapha kwi-podcast yakhe akhulume nomi kanjani ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngeke athinte umuntu. Ayositidisa babo. No wonder beshisa imizi yakho le yayi-empty. Yayingena finish. And for some reason I was there now. I went there, we went there as ama-artist aseThekwini to support. Kanti so support iSlim manje.
Yabona maye mawangikhathaza lawo bantu labo. I mean, I've stayed more than 68 countries.
Ayikho leyo nto ngisho ngazi you can stay even in Dubai worldwide. Usuvele wayinyanyisisa nje nabantu. Khona abantu abathi bese be-grand bavele bafuna ukunyanywa abantu nje. Umuntu bese right, yabo, like just like say right, then he start acting funny, showing his true colors, and then this is what happens. So Topaz, welcome to my show once again. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. You're watching Durban Online Podcast, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. DOB. Alright, guys, ngiyafika kakhulu. This is Slim, this.